So we're looking at target 3.2 in this problem. It gives us a point that appears on a parabola, and it says explain what the numbers tell you about the rocket. So it doesn't really give us any information. It does tell us that this is apparently dealing with a rocket, and it gives us the details about what the x and y variables are. The x variable along the x-axis is the time in seconds. We're assuming that that means time since it was launched. And then we have the height of the rocket. Okay, so as time passes, the rocket is increasing in height, kind of slowing down to the point where it reaches its highest point, and then it starts to come back down to Earth, and it's accelerating as it comes back to the Earth. So chances are this doesn't have a parachute. This is just shot up and then it falls back down. So what does the point 3, 144 actually tell us? Well, those are the coordinates for some point on this curve, and if we go to 3, 144, that's talking about this point way up here. Okay, so what that point actually means is the x-coordinate is the time. So at a time of 3 seconds, what we see is that the y-coordinate is 144, which means the height of the rocket is in turn 144 feet. Okay, so all we're doing is we're just simply explaining what the point actually means in terms of the context. This target deals with being able to take a function or a point that is an input and an output from a function. So the 3 is like our input, the x variable. The 144 is our output, or our y variable, and be able to explain what those mean in context of the problem. So that's target 3.2. Moving on to the next one.